So in this video I'm going to show you how to activate auto brightness on your phone XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 Pro. First you need to open this panel and then find the option of auto brightness. On the first page, on the second page, I have on the first page. Here auto brightness, and then just click on it and auto brightness enabled. As can we see, it works. And then you can hold it and have some other setting if you need, or you can just turn off this function here and set the desired brightness. And this all. Goodbye.